Ooh, hot chocolate popper tower. Yeah. Sausages look good. I'm getting that. So the breakfast here looks amazing. Jason went with a full English coffee, orange juice, and I got an apple and blackberry tart that collapsed. I think that's an almond cake and some honey and Greek yogurt for now. Good morning guys. So we have arrived at Kew Gardens. We didn't video a lot on the way here because we were a bit up and down about where we catch the train from and whatnot, but we are here and we're going to take you guys along with us. There's lots to see and do here. They've let us in early because our tickets weren't till 11 to 11:45. So yeah, that's really good because it's like 10:30 and we have lots to see here. And then there's stuff we want to do back in London before we have to go back to the hotel to get changed for our meal tonight. So yeah, I'm going to stop recording this bit because I'm sure soon there'll be lots to show you. I'm so excited. I've been watching this on TV and it looks amazing. I can't wait to see the giant water lilies. Oh, right, anyway, stop and watch this. So we have come back from Kew Gardens and we are in South Bank where we were yesterday. Called and got Pimm's because it's lovely and we are on holiday. Lovely. And my favourite burger in the world from London, Burger and Beyond. Hence the reason we didn't get yesterday in Camden Market because I knew there was one down here and we're getting it. We only got a single because we are going out for a nice meal tonight. But yeah, I'm going to eat this, and I've been told there's another burger place called Black Bear and they're supposed to rival this, so I think we're going to try that at some point while we're here and do a bit of a taste off. This is a strange angle, but Jason's eating and I want to film me trying this. I know I love it, but let's have a go. It's just so good. Oh, I love it. Love it so. What do you think of it?
Never disappointing.
I'm going to say it's nearly gone.
No time for videos. Love my food too much.
I know that wasn't a lot of footage of us eating that because we have not eaten since breakfast. It is now 2 o'clock. Oh god, can't even check my time. 2:30, and we haven't eaten since breakfast, so we were hungry. But despite whether we're hungry or not, they are the best burgers. Like, you can taste the smokiness, and they're the smash burgers. The onions are slightly pickled as well. The bacon is super crispy, which I only like crispy bacon. And that burnt butter mayo on that, I think that is what makes it. Honestly, that is the best burger. Like, I want to try this black bear burger because if this rivals that and tastes anywhere near as good, it's got to be a good burger. So yeah, we're going to sit in the shade because we've been in the sun all day looking at flowers and things, which has been lovely. But yeah, we're going to enjoy our Pims and then head back to the room so we can get changed for the rest of the afternoon and evening. So yeah, cheers guys. Hi guys, so welcome to the top of the Kew Gardens. It's starting to look a little bit cloudy, so we're trying to get some pictures in. Right there is the Shard. It's much better looking at it from this way, and it's free. So we're going to try and quickly get some pictures, and then we are dying for a cocktail. So I'll show you around. Cheers. Cheers. We're on to our second cocktail. I got the pear drop. We can't pronounce Jason's, but is it nice?
Yeah, it's strange. Might take another couple of drinks of it, like last time.
Never taste.
Get used to the flavour. It's like some sort of... Yeah, it's got kumquat. It tastes kumquat. It's kumquat.
Tastes like grass.
Tastes like grass.
I'm glad you've got a bigger version to that. Oh, anyway. We've already started eating, but we forgot to film the rest of the food, so I've got to show you a bit of a dessert and some cocktails. Absolutely amazing. So good.